Hello, my name is Dr. Roy Speiser. Today I would like to talk to you about the CWR Emergency Gravity Filter. The Emergency Gravity Filter contains two ceramic filters with a material inside called Metalgon. Metalgon has been developed by us to remove a whole wide range of contaminants. Most importantly is the ceramic on the outside of the filter. A ceramic can remove parasites, bacteria, small particles, and can be used both in municipal water and as an emergency filter. Inside the filter is the Metalgon material. The Metalgon has been tested by 5 different independent laboratories to NSF standards 42, 53, and 401 to certify its reduction claims. It's certified to remove chlorine, chloramine, fluoride, bacteria, parasites, heavy metals, glyphosate, and many other contaminants. So whether you're on the go and you need it for an emergency, or you want to use it when you're traveling, a vacation home, or for everyday use with municipal water, the CWR Gravity Filter is a great device. Today, particularly in apartments where you can't hook up to a central faucet, it's a freestanding unit. All you have to do is pour the water in the top. The water percolates through the filters. It's collected in the bottom container, and you draw the water off with a spigot at the bottom. You continually can refill it, use it whenever you want. It's very convenient to use, and also the ceramic has a unique feature. If the water is very dirty and the dirt collects on the surface of the filter, you just simply take it out, use a piece of Scotch-Brite, brush it off, and it restores the flow rate. So all in all, the CWR Emergency Gravity Filter is a very versatile filter. It can be used under any condition, and I'd highly recommend to have it. Thank you.